Is there anything more exquisite than leather? And before you answer that, is there anything more exquisite than a leather-covered smartphone? Probably not. This is the very familiar Huawei P20 Pro. And Huawei has announced 4 new colours. There's a pearl white version, a new version of the Aurora, but they're very nice. But we love these leather-covered P20 Pros in beautiful tan and classic black leather. We think both of these are stunning. It's been a while since we saw a leather phone. LG obviously made the G4, I think it was, in leather. Vertu made plenty of leather covered phones, God rest their soul, but we don't see that many today, and it's great to see it back. The tan leather version has a gold edge which really suits it. The black comes with a stainless steel, slightly muted stainless steel chassis. But what's great about these is the tactility. Leather itself, as you know from anything leather, feels so great in the hand, and these are no exception. It also fits in really well with the Leica branding on the camera. Leica's very well known for having very nice leather cases that go along with its smartphones. This is beautiful. So here's a slightly closer look at the tan version. You can see you've still got gold accents around the camera lens and around the third camera lens. The phone itself is the same, there's no difference with the device. But if you've been holding off getting one, then these are the ones to have a really close look at. We're waiting to hear prices and availability, we don't know those yet, but you really do need to have a good look at the leather covered P20 Pro from Huawei.